Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best studio lights for video in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Cyezcor Video Conference Lighting Kit. Conference videos need to have perfect lighting scenes. You must take care of the right background and maintain eye contact with your listeners. You also need to make sure about the high quality audio in your presentation. So this light is the best studio light for video conferences. This light is easy to use because of its adjustable features. It is just one chip to attach to my computer monitor or laptop so that I can use this light with my desktop to give a live session on all YouTube videos. It is much more stable due to its perfect material. It is a multi-purpose studio light used in dark areas or for night videos. It is a professional tool for making video conferences, Zoom calls, and other types of photography. It has 5 color lighting modes so that I can have 5 different brightness effects and colors. Its color temperature is also adjustable. This light is the best for video conferences because it can be set on my laptop and has a soft look in every situation. It has 6 colors, and I can have a lamp shade with PC material. The light shows even the look on my face while having video conferences. The light is fantastic for multiple uses. It is an LED light with a rotatable tripod stand. You can charge this light from your laptop or mobile power charging. This desktop light can be the best for shooting live conferences and other types of videos. It has different functions that you can manage with 6 different RGB colors and 5 colors temperature. You can clamp this light onto your laptop for different shooting modes. You can benefit from the light at night while having excellent and clear videography. Number 2. Our second best pick is EMART 60 LED Continuous Portable Studio Light. Tutorial videos can be made on any topic. You must select the right tools and location for making those tutorial videos. You must have the perfect lighting while thinking about your viewers. The light creates perfect daylight temperature because it protects the safety of the brightness. You can get 50% off the USB-powered models. This light is multifunctional and can be used for photography and videos. The light can also be used as a tabletop studio or lighting. It has handheld use. The light is suitable for game streaming and other types of videos. The light is the best for making video tutorials. All types of video tutorials can be made with 60 LED bulbs and a stand that can be adjustable. I can use this light with an adapter version or USB power. The light shows a professional view of the scene. It is perfect for daylight, temperature, and brightness. I can use it for making videos of cooking and baking too. The light has effective performance because of its prolonged service life. It has stereoscopic heat holes, so it is easy to dissipate heat from the light. The light has energy-saving bulbs. It has different color filters and brightness. The light has an adjustable stand and other accessories for more compatibility. Different kinds of photography and videos can be captured with 60 LED light bulbs. It has a 180-degree angle, making it easy to adjust the light. It is the best studio light for video tutorials. Number 3. Our third best pick is UBeesize LED Video Light Kit. Advertising videos need killer content to be focused on. It can be done with only this LED video light kit. It is the best studio light for advertising videos. It would help if you made advertising videos short and attractive for your audience through personalization. This is a USB power light with a USB port. It is a continuous light that can highlight the subject in front of it in various situations. I can attach this light to my laptop or computer for live conferences and video recording. It is the best light for advertising videos because of its diverse shooting effects. It can capture 4 colors, red, orange, white, and blue, so it is suitable for all types of YouTube videos and conferences. This multifunction light has the best features for advertising videos because of the enhancement of the subjects. It can give true colors and natural scenes in videos. It is the best light for video recording, playing games, shooting people, or makeup videos. It has different light effects. You can have yellow, blue, red, white, and orange light. It has adjustable brightness with its on and off buttons. You can easily maintain its height. The higher quality lighting has 66 energy-saving lamp beads. Its stand can be adjusted in different dimensions. It has a multifunction tripod and easy-to-use features. This light is the best for use on professional advertising videos. It can deliver different effects with different colors to easily maintain your advertising videos. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GVM RGB LED Video Light. Gaming videos need a perfect webcam or digital camera, high-quality microphone, screen capturing software, green screen, appealing and accurate background, and the ideal lighting for capturing the scenes during gaming. Gamers can enjoy different accessories that are specifically made for their gaming sessions. So try using this LED video light. It is the best studio light for gaming videos. If you want to enhance the video shooting environment, these lights are perfect and replicate 8 kinds of scenes. These lights provide 2 output ways for color temperature and color saturation. The color temperature lies between 3200K and 5600K. The second mode is related to adjusting the color saturation of red and green from 0% to 100%. You can swiftly match the current ambient with a knob. The upgraded 640 pieces of spotlight LED beads are plentiful in this light. The light works with its grip-able control. You can maintain it by connecting with Bluetooth and using an app for it. I can get the benefit of 8 memorable lighting scenes. The high color rendering produces natural and vivid shooting effects. This light runs with its battery power and power adapter too. Gaming videos can be recorded and live. The players are much more enthusiastic about shooting their game adventures with this light. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is RALENO 2-Pax LED Video Light. Creating YouTube videos needs a perfect strategy and plan. You need to decide the topic of your video and then take the best ideas to make the audience understand your perspective. There are many channels on YouTube that utilize this LED video light. It is the best studio light for YouTube videos. Soft lighting eliminates the best performance with its perfect LED beads and quiet operation. The light has full-featured photography assistance with 0% to 100% dimmable quality. This light delivers high-quality effects and accurate color rendition. The package contains high-performance studio LEDs with a wide range of applications and is suitable for all types of photography. It has been made with practical and protective materials. It is made with a durable handbag that easily transfers the lighting tools. This light is much more friendly and has a long-term after-civil service. The light is the best for studio portraits, interviews, and business advertisements. It is an essential tool for YouTube channels when you make videos. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.